My name's Amanda, and I'm going to show you the new ColorTable by Pedia. The ColorTable is a perfect fit for any exam room because it's made with medical grade plastic, so it's durable and scratch resistant with color throughout. The table can be air freight shipped anywhere in the world, so it's guaranteed to get to you without being damaged in transit. This is what it'll look like when the table arrives. There'll be 2 boxes plus a 3rd box if you order the additional drawer set. The cushion, the actual exam table base, and the drawer set if you order that. I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the ColorTable yourself as soon as I unwrap the packaging. Alright, the first step is to lay out all your panels, smallest to largest, and the assembly materials. The only tool that you need is a Phillips screwdriver, or I'm going to use a power cordless drill with a Phillips head to make it go faster. The largest panels will be in the center, the rectangular with the opening, groove side up. This is a tongue and groove design with interlocking panels, and it's very simple to slide together. I'm going to grab the largest panel first, use my leg to support it while I grab the side panel with the tongue, and slide it into the notch. This is self-supporting. I'm going to move to the inside, grab the other large rectangular panel, line up the tongue and the groove, and it easily slides right into place. Finally, I'll grab the last panel and close the box. Okay, now that we have the framework complete, I'm going to grab the brace panels. There's 2 panels, 5 by 24 inch size. The first panel has a groove in it. You want the slot facing upward and towards the back panel groove. It should slide right into the notch that's between the 2 outside panels. The second panel, we need to attach the gas spring lift mechanism, which I'll show you here. Here's the gas spring lift. It needs to be placed with the arm extending from the pre-drilled screw holes that are at the top of the panel. When assembling, make sure that the cable is below the gas spring mechanism and not on top, which is a common mistake. Use the 3/4 inch screws that are provided inside the assembly kit. After you've attached the lift mechanism, you want to slide this panel in the same slot that you slide the other light panel. Alright, at this point, it's important to note that the lift mechanism arm needs to be facing the side of the table for the lift handle openings. So the lift handles that are attached to the cable can be pulled through either side of the lift handle openings. The next step is to install the rest of the cross bracing. There's 5 cross braces. 3 of them have tongue. 1 of them is smaller than the others. This is the first one that you'll use. This brace fits into the grooves at the back of the table and the center. It should slide in easily. If you come to this point and find that this cross brace is too large for the opening, you know that you've reversed the end panels. So you simply swap out the front and the rear panel, and this will slide in perfectly. Okay, I'm going to take the next two tongued braces and I'm going to insert them into the bottom opening of the table. Look for the grooves on both sides. If they don't go in easily, it's because your table's not square. So just square it off and wiggle it down into place. Now that we've inserted both of the bottom braces, we're going to grab the last two box support braces. You'll notice that these have 3 pre-drilled holes. This is for use with the optional drawer assembly. These braces rest in the notches on either side of the large opening. Next, you're going to grab the 12 metal tension pins that came in your hardware assembly kit, and you're going to insert them like a dowel into the panels for the box opening, the 2 smaller ones. You'll notice 6 holes on each panel. So go ahead and insert these pins. Now that you've inserted the metal tension pins, we're going to take the larger box panel and line up the holes on the edge with the pins that you just inserted. When you install the top of the box, make sure that the pre-drilled holes for the screws line up on the same line as the bottom panel. Okay, once you've assembled the box insert, set that aside and then grab the angled brackets and the 3/8 screws that came in the hardware kit and install the brackets in each of the corners, outside and the inside corners. Alright, once you've installed all of the angled brackets, you're going to put the last panel on top. When you place it on the top, make sure that the large rectangular opening is right above the lift mechanism arm. Likewise, make sure that the holes that are inset are facing upward on the top. Then you're going to go ahead and take the long screws and attach the top panel. After you've screwed in all the bolts on top, go ahead and install the handles for the lift mechanism. Once you get the top on, then you can lift the cushion to the top, and as you notice, there's 4 pre-drilled holes. Set the cushion down, and then reach inside and find the corresponding pre-drilled holes that go through the cushion that we identified on the top. You can get the bolts hand started, and then you can finish them off with the drill. You should have installed 4 bolts through the underside of the table. Now we're going to lift the back of the cushion and install the lift mechanism arm into the bracket at the back of the cushion, using the bolt and nut that you received in your hardware kit. To lower the cushion, you'll just release the handle and push the cushion down.